Welcome to Unpack English. Study smart, don't study hard. Have you ever felt a strange but super relaxing tingle on your head when someone whispers, taps their nails, or slowly turns the pages of a book? That feeling, that little shiver of calm, might just be ASMR. So, what exactly is ASMR? ASMR stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response. That's a fancy way of saying it's a calming, physical sensation that usually starts on your scalp and gently moves down your neck and spine. People often describe it as a warm tingle, a wave of deep relaxation, or even a brain massage. Now, not everyone experiences ASMR, and that's perfectly fine, but for the millions of people who do, it feels absolutely amazing. So, what kinds of things trigger this feeling? ASMR is usually set off by soft, slow, and repetitive sounds or movements. Think about it. Some of the most common ASMR triggers include whispering, tapping or scratching sounds, the soft rustle of page turning, someone gently brushing hair, or even the quiet click-clack of keyboard typing. You might also feel it from personal attention, like in videos where someone pretends to give you a haircut or a gentle eye exam. These sounds are almost always quiet and very intentional. They help your brain slow down, focus, and just relax. But why does ASMR feel so good? Well, scientists are still studying it, but many believe it helps our brains release calming chemicals. We're talking about things like dopamine and oxytocin, the same chemicals linked to feelings of comfort, trust, and happiness. This is why so many people use ASMR to reduce stress, fall asleep faster, or just unwind after a really long day. Some people even find it helpful for managing anxiety. You can think of ASMR as a kind of mental comfort food. It's simple, soothing, and incredibly relaxing. ASMR really exploded in popularity on YouTube around 2010. Today, you can find millions of ASMR videos with billions and billions of views. The creators, who are often called ASMRists, use special high-quality microphones to capture all those tiny, delicate sounds you normally wouldn't even notice in daily life. For the best experience, many people listen with headphones to get the full effect, feeling the sounds move from one ear to the other. Others just play ASMR quietly in the background while they study, work, or sleep. Now, you might be thinking, is ASMR kind of weird? Some people definitely think it's a bit strange, but it's completely harmless and actually very normal. If you listen and don't feel anything, that's okay too. But if you do feel those tingles, you are definitely not alone. At its core, ASMR is just another way for us humans to relax. It's all about slowing down, paying attention to the little things, and finding a moment of calm in small, simple sounds. So next time you hear a soft whisper or some gentle tapping, just listen for a moment. Your brain might just say, "Ah, this feels nice. Thanks for watching." If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe for more.